This is what $575 condominium from AirBnB gives you in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, guys. Hello out there world, I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. Just about a week ago I moved to Kuala Lumpur for a month stay, and I was thinking previously to stay in the hotels and moving around Malaysia, and then I found out as you can find very nice condominium, 1-bedroom apartment in nearly center to Kuala Lumpur for very affordable money. So I decided, why not? So today I'm gonna take you for the tour of my apartment in Kuala Lumpur. Also I'm gonna show you a little bit of my hood, everything around, and also a little bit of the cost of living, what is included and where to go to shopping and how much are groceries and stuff like this in Kuala Lumpur, guys. Alright, let's get started with the tour of my apartment in Kuala Lumpur. This is the entrance, and we have a little bit of the kitchen complex with the fridge and freezer, obviously. Not much is inside, actually. I could say actually it's empty. I need to go show it. And you have a sink, you have a microwave, you have induction kit, so you can make light cooking. There are actually some accessories, like you could cook, cutlery and everything, so it's really not so bad. There are also some plates everywhere around, but only for 2 people. Obviously this apartment is only for 2 persons, so keep it in mind. This is the dining table. However, I use the dining table into my workplace. I'm sorry for the little bit mess, but I'm making videos every day, so you know how is it. And this is the living room area. Little sofa for 2 people, perfect. You have a smart TV. You can watch my YouTube channel in case if you're interested. And of course, there is the view. I'm staying on the 16th floor. Let's move to the bedroom. So bedroom is just behind the couch. These doors are actually opening and closing down. However, I set up like on the middle, so actually looks cool. And the bedroom looks like this one. You have a queen bed, wardrobe, some little tables, light. You have a little balcony, so you can go outside, and also you have a small desk, so you could work it. However, I like to work on the table over there. Also, there is the balcony, as I mentioned, and you can get out and you have a view of the city. Over there already you can see Merdeka 118. There is the Pudu market, and in the background you see so many residential buildings, a huge motorway. And on the other side is also like so many residential buildings, some construction of the new motorway. And also what I actually like from this side of the building is you can have a look for the local residential estate, old school buildings, which is very nice. And also the view of the motorways is very calming down. And also this is the bathroom, shower and the toilet itself, sink and little mirror. However, maybe a little bit small, but this is small apartment like. Alright, so the unit have 2 air conditioners and 1 fan. All the bills like water, electricity, Wi-Fi, everything is included this rent of $575 per month, which is in my opinion is very affordable. It's only 2 MRT stations to the Bukit Bintang, which is where is the city center of Kuala Lumpur. Just outside the building is IKEA, mall, MRT station. Of course, I will show you that everything around. And also I want to show you few things what you need to know when you are living in Malaysia here in the apartments. For instance, the electric sockets are totally different, like the same style like in UK and in Singapore, for instance. So if you are coming from Europe or America, you make sure you have adapters with you. Also, if internet for you is very important, like for me, as I'm uploading video on daily basis, internet here in this condominium, in this apartment is private, so the landlord provide the internet by himself, and it's very fast. It's 50 megabytes per second of upload and download, so for me it's very great. I'm very happy with that, to be honest. The apartment size is 550 square feet, which is around 52 square meters. I'm staying on the 16th floor, and the full entire condominium have 50 floors. Also, there is the parking space in case if you have a car. So the first floors on the condominium, I think most of the condominiums are like that. There is the huge parking area, and everyone who have an apartment here can have a one car, because my apartment, even I don't have a car, I didn't rent the car, but I have one parking lot who belongs to this apartment, which is actually pretty cool. Also, I was checking these apartments in case if you would like to live here because you have a job or you have a business and you could rent this apartment for 1 year. It's gonna cost you approximately $450 per month. However, I think they are not including the Wi-Fi and bills. However, the furniture, all the apartments are already furnished by the developer. After that, the condominium is very new. It's just open, it's just finished in 2021, so it's just about 1 year old, having a beautiful view of the city center of Kuala Lumpur, actually. From the one side, and then from the other side, you can see the other parts of Kuala Lumpur. On the 49th floor is like a park on the rooftop, where you can see the panorama of the city. And also there is few floors who having a similar parks. Also there is the place where you can have a picnic, or you can have a seat, or you can have a coffee and having a look of the panorama of the city. Also there is the place where is the swimming pool, gym. Also every 4 or 5 floors there's like a little area where you could smoke, or you could just enjoy the fresh air in case if you need it. And this is definitely my favorite one, the rooftop park lounge, whatever you call this, where you can enjoy the beautiful view of the Kuala Lumpur city. At 45th floor you have another sky park. When it's the morning there is no sunrise at the moment, so it's different. It's not that hot, and different point of view from the other side of the city, guys. Also great view of the motorway if you would like to watch the traffic at the morning, and of course if you have time for that. And on the 32nd floor you have a relaxed area where are the tables, and you could enjoy your time, for example, having a coffee or something. On the 9th floor you have a reading room, which is air-conditioned reading room, and so much natural sun is coming in, so it's nice. And then you have a gym with the very nice equipment, and also with the nice view of the city center. Like this one on the 9th floor. Also there is the yoga room and the kids station. And then we have a swimming pool. Swimming pool is on the 8th floor, and it's actually pretty big. You have a look like 180-degree swimming pool. It's actually very cool, and looks like this one. And actually, even I living here already for 9 days, I didn't got opportunity to jump there yet. However, I think I'm gonna do it today. There is also the kids playground with the sand next to the swimming pool, children pool with the little slide and also shallow water. And just next to the pool is the barbecue station, where is the simply barbecue, and the barbecue is fully operated. Never use it, I don't think so I'm gonna use it. However, in case if you would like to, of course, some more tables area next to the barbecue, and the overall view of the pool situation and how tall is the building itself, guys. And then of course is the parking area. Not so many cars as you can see right now. This is the lobby situation with the 24-hour security reception. There is the mailbox where you take a keys if you are check-in. Entrance to the parking area only for residents, and little park. Also the roof is pretty cool. Gate system, so only residents can enter inside, so it's totally very secure place. No random people will come inside the building. Another security just here at the front. And this is the main street, and on the other side of the street is 7-Eleven, where I'm always going for buy some drinks. Also, the crossing the street is very easy because there is simply not much traffic around. So you have a 7-Eleven just at the front of your condominium, the clinic, garage for the motorbikes, and many other stuff. And the building itself looks like this one. Is actually pretty tall, 50 floors, guys. Looks like this. Here in the corner is Petronas gas station, so in case if you are driving cars and you are in rush at morning, you can easily fill the gas and you don't need to worry about that, where to buy. And everywhere around there are constructions of another condominiums, actually so many. And this is my path going to the MRT station, Cochrane, but just behind me, at the front of me and behind me everywhere is huge IKEA and the My Town Mall. So if you are carving for any kind of food or maybe coffee in Starbucks, or maybe would you like to have some shopping, stuff like this, you can have just 5-10 minutes walk to the mall, to the IKEA, whatever, and you can have it. You don't need to go anywhere into city center or somewhere like that. And just next to the mall is the Cochrane MRT Station, green line. I think it's called Kajang line actually in Malaysia. So from this MRT station it's the underpass link to the IKEA and mall, so it's pretty convenient. And also only 2 stations to Bukit Bintang in Pavilion and the city center of Kuala Lumpur. Now I'm gonna take you a little bit to the malls inside, so you will know how's the mall in your residential area made look like. And then you just enter the mall and you have so many food options like this one, or maybe would you like to have a Western McDonald's. Everything is here. I'm gonna show you a little bit around. Malaysia also have a Subway, which is very nice. I really like sometimes having a good sandwich here. Or maybe perhaps would you like to have a laksa for less than $2 Also you can find here, and also so many other shops, like for example this one with the pastries or the cakes, or maybe pretzel from the auntie's end. Chinese food, juices, Thai food, Swedish bistro from IKEA. You can have already the hot dog or the meatballs, or maybe huge electronic shop in case if you decide that you wanna have a big TV. And then you have a village grocery, which is the premium discount market. Also very nice for small shopping. This is the name My Ground by My Town, and this is the Decathlon. Also you can find a shop like this one here. Also in your residential mall you can find the Zara and little skate park for the kids, guys. The beds, furnitures, Victoria's Secret or Swarovski delivery shop is also here, guys. Here in this mall you have IKEA. I mean the IKEA is separate building but connected to the mall with the super huge cafe. Also what you don't have to pass the full entire store to get there, so you can basically straightforward get just to the IKEA cafe. By the way, guys, let me know in the comment section if you would like me to cover the IKEA store as the separate vlog from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Also not mention if you are traveling with kids, or you are living with kids, or you have a kid just itself, you can find a nice park for them inside the mall. And your local mall also will have a Starbucks, don't forget about that, in case if you wanna have American coffee. But my very favorite one in this mall is this coffee kiosk with these beautiful cakes around. That's the name of the mall. It's already dark. I mean, it's not very night, but it's already dark. Oh, the thunders. And everywhere there is construction of the new condominiums. And there, where you have a sign over there, there's another mall, because there are more condos everywhere around. And then I just arrived to the Lotus hypermarket, which is the best place for the shopping for the, you know, like a groceries, like a stuff like this. And this was the ex-Tesco. The people who are living in UK and Europe should know Tesco, right? Simply like in any other big hypermarket, you have everything like household items, a little bit of the furnitures, and then a little bit of Asian style, as you have a rice with the prices like this, big section of the eggs and stuff. Then you have a bakery section, donuts, like a full pack of these donuts for $7.60 actually. And then obviously you have a veggie section. However, seems like many stuff are sold out already, as it's a little bit late. They're gonna close soon, so better come earlier. And there is some sweet section, definitely my favorite one when you are looking into my basket, what I have here. Also very nice thing here is everything is in Bahasa Malay or in English, guys, so it's very easy to navigate. That's my shopping for today. I know, not so healthy, however. And also you're gonna have a long queues everywhere around, so keep it in mind like any other big supermarket. And now it's time for the coffee. They have a vending machine with the Costa, so it's like a regular mocha for 10 ringgits, like $2 something, not so bad. All paid by the touch and go, so all is electronic, like e-wallet, by scanning the code over here. So good. Regarding the groceries, what you saw, what I bought in the Lotus supermarket, which is like a Tesco, I paid for all 100 ringgit plus taxi for another 20 something dollars. So Basically, I pay for all my groceries about 22 American dollars plus $5 for the taxi in both ways. Not so bad, however, usually I order online. There is application, it's called Happy Fresh. Delivery is only like $2 and you don't need to go even anywhere. And the prices are the same, often even cheaper if you order online. Just interesting tip for you if you are living in Malaysia or are thinking to coming for a longer while. Probably some of you guys will be interested about the cost of living, so I'm spending about $15 plus minus for the public transport, MRT, LRT and any kind of trains. Also, I'm traveling to making videos every single day, so maybe if you would just explore by yourself, you will don't travel as that much, you could spend less. Also, sometimes the taxi, so maybe another $20-25 for the taxis, using only Grab actually, so not really taxi, I'm using online transportation. I don't really cook at home, so usually I eat outside for the meal. Usually I pay something between $1.52 up to $4. If you really want to go fancy, $5. Of course, they are premium places, but normal, regular eating outside, either in the restaurant or the street food or kebab or whatever, even in McDonald's, it's not going to cost you more than $4 or $5 per meal, which is really also nice. And coffee everywhere, coffee in the like Starbucks or McDonald's or somewhere, the good quality coffee gonna cost you something about $2-$50. If you want to have a lower quality coffee from 7-Eleven, it's just less than $1, so it's really affordable, guys. Between I'm making this vlog, I also was in the very nice Indian restaurant, what you see right now on the screen, with my Malaysian friend. He invited me, thank you so much by the way, and this is how the food looked like, so nice. And I skipped the dinner after that, so I had only one proper meal. Very nice place. Alright, and that's it. Of course, Kuala Lumpur is the huge city. You can live outside the federal territory of Kuala Lumpur, and then will be everything even cheaper. However, you will have to travel a little more far. I chose this place because it's very close to the center. However, most of the people, especially the expats, like to living in the area of Bukit Bintang, and there the condominiums are usually older and also more expensive. You have to count at least something like $750 plus. However, you are living in the city center and literally you don't even need to travel anywhere. You can just walk in the 5 minutes to the center of the city. So everything is up to you. Anyway, I have a big favor. If some of you are maybe real estate agent or selling the condominiums or stuff like this, I would like to make one more or two more videos about the condos in Kuala Lumpur. Also, what you can get for what certain amount of money. So I would really appreciate if you leave the message below or send me the email or contact me on the Instagram, all you can see on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and tomorrow I gonna go somewhere. So as always, every single day is new video at 4 p.m. local time. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, bye bye.